Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric bicycle motor kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Z-Make e-bike motor. Specifications. Brand name, Z-Make. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is Bafang M620 G510. Specifications. Brand name, Risen motor. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 to 52 volts. Power, 1000 watts. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Bafang 1000W. Specifications. Brand name, Bafang. Motor type, side-hung motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 36 volts, 48 volts, 52 volts. Waterproof grade, IP65. Motor size, 68 mm, 100 mm, 120 mm. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Anoi Bike. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Rated current, 20 amperes. No load speed, 45 to 55 kilometers per hour. Rotating speed, 450 RPM. Rated torque, 25 Nm. Machine weight, 7.5 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bafang G320. Specifications. Brand name, Conhas motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 to 52 volts. Power, 1000 watts. Motor weight, 4.8 kilograms. Waterproof grade, IP65. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.